So here we have the base usage. I know we have discussed already this section, but there is a bit more information that I think we should discuss. So let's come back to the Claude Code session. This is the Claude Code session, and if you notice, if you just type / you can see number of commands here, and remember these commands changes over time. New commands are added and some old commands are deprecated. So one important command is the clear command. I just run this command /clear, which I already run. So what /clear command is doing, see, this clear command clear the context window which is related to the previous session. Of course, when you clear a session, that clearly means that you want to free up the context memory and you want to start a new session. And if you find out that anytime if you find out that the AI agent got stuck and you can't figure out or fix the problems, even at that time you can run /clear command so that you can start a new session. So you can start a new session from here, or also you can start a new session from here just by clicking on this plus button. So you can create multiple Claude Code sessions on the same project. You can control these AI assistant through these different sessions. You can also assign multiple file changes to these different sessions. There is one more tool that I want to show you. Just type /context, press enter. Here you can see the current model Opus 4.7 and it has one IAM context window. This command /context will tell you how the context window for this session is currently being used or occupied. So here you can check the various distribution for this particular session. You can also check the current model, AI model, and this is Opus 4.7, which has one IAM context window. Also, you can check the free space available, and there is one more auto compact buffer. Also, interestingly, there is one more command /usage, and just by entering this command, you can see the remaining usage per your Claude Code plan. So here we can see that this current session, because obviously we cleared the previous session, this is the fresh session. So it only use 1%, and in the whole week 15% is used. And remember, using /usage command, you can see how hard you can go on Claude Code. And if usage is no longer left, then you have to pay for the extra usage. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content. And if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye-bye.